Hey there. Ever wonder about that extra layer of security when you log into your accounts? That's likely two-factor authentication, or 2FA. And it's a game changer for keeping your digital life safe. Think of it like this. Your password is the first key to your house, but 2FA is a second, unique key that only you have. So, how does it work? After you enter your password, your service will ask for a second piece of proof. This could be a code sent to your phone via text message, a code generated by an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, or even a fingerprint scan. For example, when you log into your email after your password, you might get a text with a 6-digit code to enter. Or, when you access your bank account, your app might prompt you to approve the login from your phone. It's a simple yet powerful way to make it incredibly difficult for anyone else to access your sensitive information. Stay safe out there.